Filr allows you to create and manage document libraries for your WordPress site with ease. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up your first library and how to display your files on your website. To create your library, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Filr. Click on Libraries. Give a title to your library. Click on Add New Library. To add files to your library, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard, to Filr and click on All Files. Check the boxes in front of your files. Click on Bulk Actions. Click on Edit. Click on Apply. Select your library from the libraries list. Click on Update. To display your library, you need to go to Filr. Go to Libraries. Copy the shortcode of your library. Go to Pages. Click on Add New Page. Give a title to your page. Paste here the shortcode of your library. Click on Publish. That's it. This is how you create a library and display your files on your website with the help of our Filr plugin.